Hi there, these videos next week's a very imminent, aggressive storm flourish weather forecast UK 25. That's your sun's out the right side screen. The date today is the 3rd of August. Sunday evening, guys, it's 1:05. So this is my local weather data, of course, working tone locally. Today we're looking at the rainfall. I record in the morning, that's the blue colour. The temperature I record in the morning, that's the red colour. Fascinating, guys. Wow! Of course, working tone locally. The rainfall's been going up since March this year. The temperature's been going up since March this year. Incredibly high. It's actually been one of the warmest Julys I've seen since, wow, 2003, guys. We look at the local weather data, because we're tone locally. So we look at last year's July of 24 compared to this year. So the rainfall was a lot higher. You can see there, guys, down here. And the temperature was actually about 1 Celsius cooler. But if we go back to the year 2018, compare it, look at that. Wow, look at the temperature there, guys, 15.1. So we've out smashed that one. Really, like I say, you wouldn't even see a very unusually hot morning temperature for July 2003. Is one of them. Look at that, 19.3. This is accurate, guys. This is locally in Woking Town. So that was a very hot summer 2003 was by morning temperature standards, at least, because Woking Town locally. But in August 2003, we had Gray's End, we had a temperature, I think 38 Celsius or so. I think 38.7 Celsius in Gray's End in Kent. That 2003 summer, August was very hot. I was in Cornwall viewed that year, so I missed it. Like 2022, I missed that hot summer of these 39 Celsius when I went to town locally. So there you go, guys. That's local weather data. Fascinating historical history for you today, guys. Of course, working town locally. And we look at the rainfall for the last 25 years. Of course, working town locally, which is fascinating. Which is going to come up in a second or two. Just give me a minute. If you find it. And, where are you? It's one of these ones here somewhere. Nope, it's not that one. There we go. So you can see the rainfall here is 46. It's one of the driest Julys we've had since 2022. But that then, it was a very drought month. We've had 3 months rain. So it's been pretty similar to summer 22 July, but not that dry. Locally, because Woking Town locally, you can see the rainfall there for the last 25 years. So that's that sorted out. That's the local data done today, guys. This is the upper global sea temperature inches today. The place so interesting. Of the west coast of South America, east and central western Pacific region, North Pacific Ocean upper global sea temperatures today, the North Atlantic upper global sea temperatures today, west coast of Africa upper global sea temperatures today, and the Gulf of Mexico upper global sea temperatures today. Wow, fascinating! So you see, guys, we've got very warm waters off the west coast of Peru. That's a precursor for very warm winter across North Europe. We are now starting to see more activity of hurricanes across the Atlantic Ocean, which is interesting, which might help to have us a cold winter this year. Might help to cool the water temperatures down in the North Atlantic Ocean. It might help. It's long-range forecasting, it's never that guaranteed, guys. And this is the American 12 GFS model for the future forecast across the UK. You can see what's going on here, guys. You can see that 12th of August, high pressure coming across the UK. There's also high building up, probably hot air coming up for the UK on the 14th of August. Could be the temperatures by day, like 26, maybe 28 Celsius, maybe 30 Celsius as we go towards the 19th of August. You can see that. But this is the American 12 GFS model prediction, guys, for the future. And this is the upper air temperature. You can see that 18th of August. To about upper air temperature of 20 Celsius plus for south eastern regions, and that's on the Monday. It's always forecast, it's helpful, this is something that's changed, not guaranteed. And this is the upper air temperature of Woking Town locally. You can see there, the red line is a 30-year upper air average temperature. The white lines are the temperature going, so it's going to plummet in a few days' time, about the 6th or 7th of August, and it's going back above average, so the white line's going, on the 9th to the 8th of August, staying well above the red line average, and the green the green line is the operation line, that's going well above it. So yeah. At least highs 15 plus Celsius, which is interesting upper air temperature. It's Woking Town locally, it's the temperature and the weather forecast across Woking Town. See what's going on there for the next few days. Look at that, guys. That's fascinating, isn't it? You can see what's going on. It's very windy tomorrow, very gusty wind, 18 miles per hour across Woking Town locally, and then it's going to be windy on Tuesday, dry still, a little bit more sunshine, a lot of sunshine and climates will vary for the week. It might be someone finally comes in the weekend, but like I say, it's long-range forecast and health warnings, so it's a change, not guaranteed that far ahead. We've seen lately all the hot waves need to get traced away, and this is the hurricane situation across the Atlantic Ocean. You've got this situation, tropical wave there to look out for. If you're a cargo vessel out there at sea, you've got this off the east coast of North America. Look at that, out for that. That turns into depression or tropical storm. And this one here to look out if you're a cargo vessel out at sea. And that's it. This is the Pacific. Look at that one. If you're in cargo vessel in the Pacific Ocean, look out for that one there. That's an tropical storm. It's alpha dishing off across the Pacific Ocean. It's the East Pacific Ocean. And this is what's going here. And there you go, guys. In this situation, you see storm FLORIS coming across the UK right now, just live right there. And then over here across the UK, you've got two tropical storms there. Look out for around here. And because of Gulf of Mexico, please squash on San James. Put a thumbs up that side screen. Please squash on San James.